your head. Tell me, am I still the only one? Tell me now, I gotta know. Give it to me nice and slow. Tell me what's been going on these days. 'Cause you and I, we used to be so real, and every day I feel like there was nothing new that I could learn about you way back then. But every time I see you now, feels just like I know you less. One of these days I might not know you at all. And how can I be asked to know all the things that you won't show? How can I be asked to this at all? 'Cause every time that you go fade yourself away, I don't know why that I am left here feeling this way. I don't know why that I am left here at all. I've been changing so much now, while you have been hiding underground. And I have been going my own way, while you have been going your way too. While you have been going someplace new.